Hello everyone! Today we will be making sourdough rye bread. For this recipe we will need water, sourdough starter, salt, brown sugar, anise seeds, fennel seeds, caraway seeds, rye flour, all-purpose flour and whole wheat flour.
Into the bowl, put 55 grams of sourdough starter. If you don't have sourdough starter, then you could put in 1 teaspoon of instant yeast into your flour.
Add in 330 ml room temperature water and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of anise seeds, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds and 1 teaspoon of caraway seeds.
Into the bowl, place these amounts of pre-sifted flour. 150 grams of all-purpose flour, 60 grams of whole wheat flour, and 160 grams of rye flour.
Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already.
A big thank you to all the people who have subscribed, are liking our content, and sharing our videos.
Currently, we will be mixing the dough with a spatula, but not too long until the ingredients combine. Cover the bowl with the dough with a towel. Leave on the table for 15 minutes and mix the dough again. And do this 3 times every 15 minutes.
The exact amount of ingredients, links to our other videos, and links to our social media can be found in the info box below.
After I mix the dough for the 3rd time, I put into a clean bowl and cover it with plastic wrap and towel. After covering, put it on the table to rest for 10 to 12 hours.
Once your dough has risen, get a pan and put some oil on the bottom. After you have done that, spread the oil out evenly. Then put a bit of flour on top so your dough doesn't stick to the pan. Then get all of your dough into a ball and place it on top of the pan. Then sprinkle some flour on top and cover the dough and let it rest.
After 1 hour, on top of the dough make knife slice on top, so the hot air can come out.
Place the pan into the oven at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Then cook it at 420 degrees Fahrenheit for another 30 minutes.
You can check if your bread is ready. The temperature inside should be 200 degrees Fahrenheit.
Please take the bread out of the oven, put it on a cooling rack, cover it with a clean towel, and let it cool.
After the bread is cooled, cut it up and serve into your family and friends.
This bread turns out very delicious, and yet it is still healthy.
Thank you for watching.
And see you next time. Bye bye.
Bye bye.